Hey guys, and this is long time no see. Definitely. Just a quick update. Well, I didn't want to post much because, my car is still in the process of getting license plates. But by the time you watch this, we are approximately just few days away from getting the plates. But today I just wanted to pick up the camera and film because I miss it so much. And well, today I don't even have an idea what we're gonna do. We were just sitting for a coffee in the morning and we decided that we just wanna go and hit some nice roads. Unfortunately, my Mustang is not coming along, but this gives me an opportunity to finally film a bit more. So I'm joining two of my friends, Megane RS and another M3, and let's see how the day goes. We're just at the beginning of the first mountain-like road. And I'll be riding at the back of this one, filming this baby. Oh, ooh. Fuck. Let's go.
Hey yo, what's up, JV? Nigga, what's crackin'? What you doing? What's going on? What's happening? Nowadays, I be pimpin' the Mac and sellin' crackin'. Nigga, you still rapping?
What up, is? I hang with the hardest motherfuckers. I got rhymes by the buckets, make you niggas wanna suck it. I'm the epitome of God gifted. When I busted my first rap, the whole planet shifted. Your mind's in the next best hemisphere, next level shift. So you best to just stop it. Check my kid. I got flavor, mad hip hop. I can front in the roughest neighborhood and I get shot.
So the intake pipe just like snapped off.
Should work.
Is it fixed? So this guy just popped off and the whole car started like pulling unevenly. So this should work now. Let's hope.
Let's hope so.
Can we just appreciate the fitment here on this car? Like, you can barely fit one finger in between and it doesn't rub at the back. And look at this at the front. Look at this. This thing is like daily driven and it's driven hard, and with fitment like this you can only appreciate it because, well, it does scrub.
Whoops. 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 That was the exhaust hanger.
Oh shit, look at this. Oh shit.
I can't even see it.
No. Oh, this is bad. That was better than I expected. Tule mora padar seat clever. But I think this is the lowest car that drives hard that I know on this ride height. Respect. Right now we're heading to another mountain pass and we'll be searching for some restaurant to get some food. So let's go. I'm joining Zorman.
Yeah.
For the first time today. Okay. All right. So this should be a part. They just made a brand new road here. Shit! can feel the car, like even if you're too fast into the corner,
Yeah.
like the car is so well balanced, it will just like slide. Slide in. Yeah, exactly. Just me, or does like this looks like a Jurassic Park? For legal reasons, this is a beautiful day in Mexico. So this shows you the maximum of things you did. So 577 horsepower, and this guy did 400 kilometers per hour. We're just waiting for the red light, and we don't have much to do in between. Come on! I'm the navigation here. I'm basically reading the corners so we can beat the Google Maps estimation for half. That's the plan. And away we go. So what's the fuel range of today?
So we did 188 kilometers with more than 3/4 of a tank. It's time to refuel.
Efficient.
Driving efficient.
Plan for today is we just had lunch, and now we figured, since we saw snow in the mountains, now we want to see the seaside. So now we're headed to the seaside to meet some friends, get a drink, and then I guess back home. We'll see, but off to the seaside. So right now we are heading for the last hill climb before we drop down to the seaside. And this is a part that Dennis knows the best. That's the reason he wears his racing gloves. So wish me luck. These were the corners I was talking about. What a road!
It's amazing. Totally like race experience, hill climb experience.
Yeah, it's beautiful. It has just the right amount of, you know, the turn in of the, I mean, turn in on the turns, so they're just enough open. Okay, let's head to seaside and say hi to the friends. Alright guys, so we have made it to the seaside. Look at the view behind me. And this is it for today. We will wrap it up here, and next time I will see you with the Mustang vlog. So hopefully you like this like random road trip. But that's it for today. Enjoy. Ciao.